Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily find your monitor model on Windows 11. Whether you're setting up a new workspace or just curious about your monitor's specifications, this quick guide will help you identify the exact model of your monitor in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. The first step is to right-click anywhere on your desktop. From the context menu that appears, click on Display Settings. This will open up the Display Settings window where you can adjust and view various display-related options. Once you're in the Display Settings window, scroll down to the bottom and click on Advanced Display Settings. This is where you'll find detailed information about your connected displays, including the model number. Under Advanced Display Settings, you'll see a section called Display Information. Here, you'll find the name and model number of your monitor listed under Display 1, Display 2, and so on, depending on how many monitors you have connected. And that's it. You now know how to quickly find your monitor model on Windows 11. This information can be helpful when troubleshooting display issues, updating drivers, or just making sure you're getting the best performance from your monitor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Also, if you have any questions or video requests, leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.